At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we focus on delivering reliable and efficient boiler installation in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, backed by our experience as a full-service HVAC contractor. Our team handles everything from system sizing and installation to integration with existing HVAC control systems, ensuring your heating solution operates efficiently and consistently. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Are high-efficiency boilers worth the investment? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we often recommend considering high-efficiency systems when planning a boiler installation, because they can provide significant long-term value for homeowners and businesses. We also work closely with trusted heating equipment suppliers to ensure every installation delivers maximum efficiency and long-term value for our customers. Can a boiler be installed in any type of home or building? At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, when we assess a property for boiler installation, we find that most homes and many commercial buildings can support a boiler system, but not every structure is automatically suitable without evaluation. As a trusted heating contractor, we also coordinate with heating equipment suppliers to ensure the right system is selected for your specific property type. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.